Thank you, Walt. Also developing news tonight, a major announcement involving a local hospital that closed a few months back.
Today, CharterCare, the owner of Roger Williams Medical Center and Fatima Hospital, announced it wants to buy and reopen Memorial Hospital in Pawtucket.
But there are conditions, and this isn't a done deal just yet. Eyewitness News reporter Kate Walsh has been working the story all day long. She joins us now live from Pawtucket with the Blackstone Valley Mobile Newsroom. Kate?
Well, for about a century, this building was filled with patients until it closed late last year. And today, CharterCare announced a plan to reopen at least its emergency room, but that was to the surprise of the current hospital owner. There's a void in Pawtucket and the Blackstone Valley when it comes to nearby medical care. Memorial Hospital closed its doors late last year after a decade of financial struggles.
Hospitals, as we heard, have overloaded, right? The Department of Health, the cities have been meeting with them because of the diversions as well as the rescue runs, the increased time and services.
CharterCare, the owner of Roger Williams Medical Center and Fatima Hospital, announced an offer to buy Memorial Hospital from Care New England and reopen an emergency room with a $10 million capital investment. CEO John Holliver.
We do not currently have a deal with them. However, we're very confident moving forward because it's the right thing to do for the community that Care New England would be excited about.
But Care New England sent us a statement saying in part, quote, today's announcement represents nothing more than an opportunity to muddy the healthcare landscape with an ill-conceived plan with no true thought for serving the community need. CharterCare's proposal means 100 new jobs. Jobs Holliver said would be open to many of the 700 who lost their jobs at Memorial, as well as other Rhode Islanders if they're the most qualified. Holliver said right now this building has lost its license to be a hospital, so they would have to get that license back as well as pay for all the equipment needed for an emergency room to operate. And new at 6 tonight, hear from the nurses union on why they say this hospital will likely never reopen. Live in Pawtucket, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.
New reaction at 6 to the company's offer to buy and reopen Memorial Hospital in Pawtucket. It was first breaking at noon, and tonight the nurses union says they are opposed to the proposal. Eyewitness News reporter Kate Walsh joins us now live from outside Memorial Hospital in Pawtucket with the new details. Kate?
Mike, Memorial Hospital closed late last year after about a decade of financial struggles. And while CharterCare announced today that plan to open at least its emergency room at first, the nurses union told us they don't think that's likely going to happen. An offer of hope for Pawtucket and the Blackstone Valley.
Our intent to purchase the closed Memorial Hospital from Care New England. Our plan is to reopen the emergency room as soon as possible.
CharterCare, which owns and operates Roger Williams Medical Center and Fatima Hospital, announced this surprise offer to the applause of local mayors and state lawmakers at a news conference Thursday. But others say it's hope unfounded.
It's quite remarkable that these guys have the audacity to call what's a money grab a legitimate attempt to open a hospital that's already been closed.
United Nurses and Allied Professionals General Counsel Chris Kalachi said this announcement is unfair to the 700 employees laid off from Memorial Hospital, many still looking for work.
They're simply trying to extort higher reimbursement rates for their hospitals at Roger Williams and Fatima to make more money.
CharterCare CEO John Holliver said higher reimbursement rates would be needed to invest in and run the hospital.
Yes, this deal is contingent upon us getting rate parity.
And a spokesman for Care New England sent WPRI a statement today saying they really reject the proposal and saying in part it's an ill-conceived plan with no thought to the community need. You can read that statement in full as well as get more information about this on our website at WPRI.com. Live in Pawtucket tonight, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.